Let's solve this logarithmic system of equations. To solve this, we need to have these things, these ideas into account. This is, if we have an equation and logarithm of A equals logarithm of B, then A must be the same as B. And this way we can get rid of logarithms in an equation. This is the definition of a logarithm. We can write this as a power. The base of the power will be the same. Remember that the result is the exponent I need for that base so that I obtain B. That is inside the logarithm. And here we have the properties of logarithms. So let's start. Since here I have a number multiplying, I can place it inside the logarithm as an exponent following this property. So, and then let's imagine I have this inside, this as an exponent. I can use this property and place everything together as a division inside the logarithm. So let's do that at a time in just one step. So we would have logarithm base 3 of x squared over 2x plus y plus 1. And now I want to write this number as a logarithm using this idea, the definition. So I need a logarithm, base 3, because we are working with base 3, would be 0. So what if I raise this 3 to the exponent of 0, the result would be 1. So I can change this logarithm by the number. All right, let's work on this. Here I have just one logarithm and the result, so applying the definition and transforming this into a power, I can get rid of the logarithm. So let's do it. It would be 3 to the power of 1, that is 3, equals this. In another step, I can get rid of these logarithms. So x squared over 2x plus y plus 1 would be 1. And then 3 equals 3y minus x. I multiply the whole equation by 2x plus y plus 1, so it would disappear here, and it will appear here. Or I just can say, this is dividing, it goes to the other side multiplying. And I would obtain this. So I have no denominators anymore. I'm going to work this system by substitution. So now we have to think. I'm going to isolate y or x, we'll decide which one, here in this equation, and then we will place it in the other. So which one do you think is the best choice? I think the best choice is to isolate y, because I just have to place it here. If I isolate x, I have to place it here and here. So I would choose to isolate y. To isolate y, it would be x would go to the other side adding, so 3 plus x, and then we divide by 3. All right, let's place it here. And we would have x squared equals 2x plus 3 plus x over 3 plus 1. To get rid of this denominator, we are going to multiply the whole equation by 3. And we would have 3x squared equals 6x plus 3 plus x plus 3. Let's organize this equation. And we would obtain 3x squared, 6 plus 1, 7. So minus 7x to the other side, and minus 6 here. And now we just have to solve it using the second degree equation formula. Minus b, 7 plus or minus the square root of b squared, minus 4ac, that would be plus 72, if we do it with a calculator, all over 2a, that is 6. So we obtain two results for x. One would be, here we have 121, whose root equals 11. So we would have as one result, x equals 3, and the other one would be x equals minus 2/3. And now we have to think. I cannot have negative numbers inside logarithms, so this solution is not valid. So we just have to work with this. If x equals 3, then I have to place it here to obtain y. And y would be 3 plus 3 is 6 over 3, 2. So this is the solution to my system. I hope you understood and this video was useful. See you soon.